Poco phone today, that is 38. So this is the bill. तो zoom out कर ले भाई. EMI number. Okay, so let's keep it aside. And so it is all packed. I haven't unsealed it. Here is the seal. It's unbroken. And here is the EMI number, which I have showed you already on there. So let's start and let's do unboxing. So let me have some kind of cutter. Yes. So I'm doing some. I guess it's not getting. Yes. So pause it. So it's time for. Okay, there's one more seal I need to break. Let me have it. So here is the phone. It's navy blue, as you can see it. Lightweight. It's not that much weight that what I was expecting for this phone. So let's keep it aside and let's see what's there. All the paper stuffs and yep, as expected, this is the cover. Not good quality, but since they have provided the cover, so it's quite good. And here it is a micro USB Type-C port for the charging, and the charger with approx 3 ampere volt. That is quite unexpected for this phone, which is very good. So it will be, of course, it will be fast charging. So let me on this phone. Let me remove this one. Yep, it's removed. Let's start. As you can see, the Poco brand. Here you can see it, and it's starting. Powered by Android, and this is all the setups. So this is all the setups, and that's all. So that's all for this phone launching and unboxing. Hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe.